It's one thing that I'm very known for, tripping, physically and mentally.
What the was that, Redban? That is crazy.
Redban, what did you just do?
Have fun bleeping that in the edit.
Nope, we're not editing that out. We're going to keep that one in. Redban, disgusting, Drama King, we all apologize. What the f*** are you doing?
Let's talk about it for as long as possible, please, everybody. Can we talk about it all night?
I'm going to bring it up every time. You can't edit it out.
Only Redban.
What it was?
Redban pressed the f***ing monkey sound effect. Redban, come on, man.
For the love of God, everyone, can we please stop talking about it? Stop monkeying around up here.